couple wraps before, a couple wraps after. Unseat duct tape. I like it. Huh? It's gonna be a treat. Doing this. Up here too, you think, or? Yeah. Before and after. Because it'll help hold that extra tape. Or should we do a continuous wrap?
That might be fine there.
I wouldn't put any more in the middle. It'll throw it. Okay. Maybe before and after, then maybe another little wrap. Here more? Because the sprocket will poke holes. Matter of fact, we should roll it backwards. Make the sprocket poke holes before it gets to the little sprocket. Right?
Yeah.
That should be good. It's just in support of breast cancer awareness. That's right. Breast cancer awareness chain.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at it go.
Easily marked where it's going to break.
That's right. Well, now we know where it's going to break. Huh?
I'll roll forward through that small sprocket.
Yep.
Oh,
yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay.
I think it might work.
I'm thinking we should start so. All right, that's definitely worthy of broke necks.
Masterlink?
Masterlink? We don't need no stinking Masterlink.